Hey Mom and Dad. So they are working on the roof today, and just thought I'd show you some video of what they're doing. As you can see here, they have the sunroom all shrouded out. Light's way too bright here, but and they're working on the roof right now. We'll go over and take a look. There's a shot of all the guys working. They're really doing a good job.
There you go.
Yeah, we got it going.
It's documented now. You can't deny it anymore.
Oh no, definitely not. Here's one of the old attic vents. Made a nice big mess on the patio, but luckily it's all shrouded. And this is what they've done so far. As you can see, they've taken off two of the vents. And you can see the different wood on the roof because of the sunroom. And they're really tearing this thing off. Look at this. They're doing a really good job, though. Doing a really good job. There's what's left of the old roof. And here, just thought I'd get some shots of the old roof on the front before they start working on it. 20 years those shingles gave us. 20 years. Yeah, they're just working on getting the rest off the way from the skylights. They've pretty much taken all the old vents off except for the attic fan. And they're working on getting the roof up there off. Doing a lot of work. See, the old roof is completely off now, and they're starting to put up the new things for the new roof. As you can see here, we got a huge crane lifting up the what must be more of the that black stuff, whatever you call it, just to keep the water off the wood. Guys done a lot of work. Now they're just trying to get it off. Those guys are nailing that stuff down. Just watching out for the old attic fan. Can't really take that out right yet. that's pretty much it for now.